Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will discuss that on our previous topic as we have seen in our previous video. Yes, that US Bitcoin ETF see $4.5 billion in a volume in a first day of trading. According to Hannah Lang, Suzanne McGee and Manaya Seni report. Race for market share. The regulatory notes spark intense competition for market share among the issuers, some of whom slashed the fees for their products well below the US ETF industry standard even before Thursday's launch. Fees on the new Bitcoin ETF range from 0.2% to 1.5%, with many firms also offering to waive fees entirely for a certain period or for a certain dollar value volume of assets. After its ETF starting trading, Valkyrie cuts its fees a second time to 0.25% and waived them from the first 3 months. Grayscale was approved to convert its existing Bitcoin trust into an ETF on Thursday, overnight creating the world's largest Bitcoin ETF with more than $28 billion in assets under management. Estimates for how much spot Bitcoin ETFs could reel in vary widely. Analysts at Bernstein estimated that flows will build up gradually to cross $10 billion in 2024, while Standard Chartered analysts this week said the ETF could draw $50 billion to $100 billion this year alone. Other analysts have said inflow could be $55 billion over 5 years. As the ETF began trading on Thursday, market participants were closely watching bid-ask spreads, the difference between the price for a trader to buy into a ETF and the price it could be sold. ETF with narrower spreads are typically viewed as more desirable. Trading volume, internal plumbing, and the number of participants involved are critically important to driving the spreads to a good spot, said Jason Stoneberg, director of product strategy at Invesco, whose ETF with Galaxy Digital debuted on Thursday. Some analysts continued that the euphoria around the approval might be premature. The broader investment community still views cryptocurrency as risky, with scandals such as the implosion of crypto exchange FTX in 2022 adding the investor awareness. A Vanguard spokeswoman said the firm had no plans to launch its own crypto investment products and that its focus remains on core asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and cash, which its views as the blocks of a well balanced long term investment portfolio. Speaking at a webinar on Thursday, Charmin, head of investment strategy group and a chief investment officer of wealth management at Goldman Sachs, said cryptocurrency had no place